and welcome once again to my channel. My name is Chief Francis. Today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to mix your whitening organic lotion or organic whitening lotion. This lotion is super easy to mix for those of you who do not like to use steroids or hydroquinone, which are basically tubes and some other types of serums that contains hydroquinone. So this is all natural, no form of steroids, no form of hydroquinone. So what we have here is hyaluronic acid powder. If you want a plumper, softer, smoother skin with less fine lines and chronic dry patches, there is only one skincare ingredient you can barely need, which is this hyaluronic acid. It's, plumps up your skin, hydrates your skin, erases fine lines and wrinkles. If you're within the age range of 30 to 30 from above, this should be your best friend. I got this from Batlan Cosmetics in Lagos. And here we have niacinamide powder. Niacinamide is a water-soluble vitamin that works with natural substances in our skin to help visibly improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines and wrinkles, dullness and weakened surfaces. It also treats acne, dark spots, and rebuilds healthy skin cells while protecting them from damage caused by ultraviolet rays, which is sunlight. So the next ingredient we have here is licorice. Licorice is not water soluble, it is alcohol soluble. So what I used my propylene glycol to dissolve it. Licorice brightens damaged skin and blocks the enzyme that triggers the skin to darken after being damaged by UV radiation. It is a powerful regeneration property. If you have damaged skin, you use licorice, it will help to regenerate healthy skin cells, thereby making your skin smooth, supple, and also brightens it. And the next we have here is giga white powder. I dissolved it with water and then I double boiled it. Giga white is a natural whitening powder. And okay, the next here is alpha arbutin. As we all know, alpha arbutin is also a very good skin whitener, natural skin whitener. So when it comes to this organic formulation, you have to be careful about the percentages of the ingredients that you're adding. Okay, like this hyaluronic acid is 1 tablespoon, and this niacinamide is 1 teaspoon. This is licorice, 1 teaspoon. I dissolved it, which is 1 teaspoon is 5 grams. And here also 5 grams. And this is 2 tablespoons of alpha arbutin, which is about, it's a little much because the normally are meant to use for 500 ml of lotion is 1 tablespoon, which is 10 grams, but I just increased it to 20 grams, making 2 tablespoons. One thing with these natural powders is you have to know the right amount to incorporate into your lotion. If you add more than is required for you to add, then the effect will be worse than hydroquinone. Most people don't know this, but that's just the fact. If you add, it's just like taking overdose of drugs. When you take an overdose of a drug, a painkiller or anything, it has its side effects. Same as all these whitening powders, they have their side effects. If you add more than you are required to add, then the effect of that thing even becomes worse than what hydroquinone will do to your body. This base lotion, I made it myself. I used papaya extracts, what's it called, propylene glycol, and some other things. I love making base cream. I just make and store whenever I want to mix lotion for someone, I take from it and mix. So today, this lotion, I'm actually mixing it for myself. I've been skin building for about 5 months, just using body butter on my skin. So I want to lighten up a bit, but I'm doing it the all natural way. Even to those I sell to, I tell them I'm using natural powders for you. You might not see an effective result immediately, but with constant use, you achieve what the complexion or the tone you're looking for. But if you want Oshapra, I can also do that for you. But it's not advisable. Another supplement that I take, I would love to recommend, is vitamin B12. If you have uneven skin tone, you have dark knuckles, dark feet, dark patches, or you just want to glow, look flawless, then this vitamin B12 is your best bet. Any form of vitamin B, they are all good for the skin. I love this product so much. I don't joke with it. This is my second bottle this year. So back to this base lotion, you can see it's silky, shiny, because I didn't use the normal emulsifying wax. I used silky emulsifying wax, which a dear friend, prescribed or told me about. It's my beautiful Malian princess Ina. Okay, so let's mix. Here's my base cream. The first thing I'll be adding is my hyaluronic acid. 1 down. The next is niacinamide. If you're into Pro Mix, you can always also add niacinamide to your Pro Mix mixture. It prevents stretch marks or green veins or any other complication that comes with Pro Mixing. So I'm just going to add that here. The next is my licorice powder. I'm just going to stir. You can add it directly to your lotion if you want in the powdered form, but it's best you dissolve it a bit. Okay, set aside. And the next is my Giga White. I double boiled it, but you have to keep on stirring every once in a while. If not, it will get back to that, it will congeal. You can see the sides. I have to scrape. When you double boil it, it's going to be clear. And when it's getting cold, it starts turning whitish, but it's still okay for you to add. You want to make sure you add this when it's cold, not when it's hot. So the next I'm going to be adding is my alpha arbutin. If you're adding alpha arbutin, or if you want to work with it, it's best to buy the one that comes in powdered form, because then you're getting the original form of it. Because all this liquid or stuff, all these serums, they've already been mixed with, they've already been diluted with propylene glycol and water. So you're not getting that active, alpha arbutin that you're supposed to get. So it's better you buy the powdered form, and then incorporate it into your lotion. But since I couldn't get that, I'm going to be using the alpha arbutin, the serum. Just going to add to my lotion. I think that's all. Nothing else. This container is empty. So I'm just going to turn it. There are so many lotions. If you don't want to make your base lotion from scratch, you can use a store-bought lotion. Just look for any good lotion that doesn't contain hydroquinone or that doesn't contain harsh chemicals, that are damaging to the skin. Because since you want to go all organic, then you have to look for a very good product. Vit Gold is good. They have an all-natural brand. There's this product, Radiant Glow. There are so many good natural, even Nivea Fairness. You can use that, I'm also going to leave the description of how I made this base cream, the recipe under the description box in case if you want to make yours. Yeah, so after mixing, this is the consistency it's in. It's not too runny, it's not too thick, just the way I want it. And from now till December, when Malaysian boys are coming back, let me glow and brighten up a bit and look flawless. All right, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, thumbs up if you like, share, comment. I'll always answer you. If you're in need of my ebook, please contact me via WhatsApp. Thank you for watching once again. I love you all. Bye.